It's pronounced bakuchiol. And this is one of the main ingredients in our
bakuchiol. Alright, so I'm back. So my face is still dry as hell, but it's actually a lot smoother. Like I said, I'm a dry skin type. If I don't put nothing on my skin, and if I don't start to sweat at some point, my face will just crack. So this is why I normally do a lot more exfoliating, because there's usually a lot more dead skin on the top of my face. So I'm gonna start with my toner. So I'm just using this, I'm using something basic because I actually did the Indian healing clay and I actually did some physical scrubbing. So I didn't want to pick anything that was too crazy or had too much harsh chemicals, so I'm going with something basic. So I normally use this a lot when I do my exfoliating. I normally use this because this is gentle. It's not something that's gonna be for dark marks, which is something that's usually gonna be a lot more acidic. That'll burn my face, especially after doing all those exfoliating steps. So I like to pat that in just to put some moisture back in my face, because like I said, my face is always dry. And what causes people to actually look older, and what makes you say somebody looks older, is usually somebody with dry skin that usually has wrinkles. So if you're somebody who's trying to prevent from looking older, or you don't want to look older, that's something you need to take care of. You need to make sure your skin is actually moisturized and hydrated if you want your skin to look, better than what it normally is. So I actually have a couple of different products I've actually gotten that I'm actually gonna be trying out. Speaking of, helping you with fine lines and wrinkles. So I have this new Glow Cycle Red Alt Power Serum. And this is just basically a more natural form of a retinoid. Yes, it's actually an alternative to actually a retinol. So it targets fine lines and wrinkles, pores, dark marks, firms with Vacuole. How do you say that? I don't know. I'm gonna butcher the hell out of that. So I'd rather just have Siri to tell me.
It's pronounced bakuchiol. And this is one of the main ingredients in our
bakuchiol. From Mo Henriksen. So this is bakuchiol, and it has AHAs in here as well. So this is pretty much going to be an alternative to a retinol, and it's more of a natural alternative. So this one is a lot more, I guess I would say, green, and it's a lot better for your skin because it doesn't have all the extra chemicals that the other ones would have. I know that's a problem for some people. They want to make sure they're putting the right stuff on their skin, and I am too, which is the reason why I was actually interested in finding out about this. So I'm going to try it out, especially if it's more of a natural form of something I'm already using. Why not use that? So I like the bottle. This is cool. So it comes in a glass bottle. On the back it says anti-aging facial serum. So it says applies to face and neck daily, massage in an upward motion for external use only. So that's pretty easy. So let's prime this joint. Ooh, shit. Like I said, this is gonna target those fine lines and wrinkles, dark marks, anything I have from old ingrown hairs, old ingrown hair scars. It's gonna take care of all that as well. So I'm actually really hoping this works out. This is my first time actually using this product. I actually got a little bit on the table. Okay. So we use that. The serum. Now we're gonna go to an eye cream. Now it's actually, how do you say this again? Vacuole.
It's pronounced bakuchiol. And this is one of
bakuchiol. I gotta remember that. So I got this, it's also another eye serum I actually have. And this one is gonna fight the major signs of aging. But in the eye. So this is actually gonna reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, promote firmness with peptides and proteins. How do you say it again?
It's pronounced bakuchiol.
Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol. Okay, so this is supposed to target fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes. and promote firmness, so it's gonna tighten this up. And this is the Vacuole Under Eye Serum. So look, you guys can see the texture of this. Like a clear gel. You really don't need a whole lot for the under eye. And I think I honestly use too much now, but it's best to use your pinkies, as you don't want to get that joint in your eyes. And you can just rub. Bam. Especially for those of y'all that, you know, have like bags from not getting enough sleep, not eating the right foods, because a lot of that stuff comes from the way you guys are actually treating yourselves. You guys gotta get enough sleep, drink enough water, eat the right food, stop eating all that processed fried food, fast food stuff. Like, you gotta cut that out. That's also part of the reason why some of you guys also have bags as well too. Even just not exercising on the regular, you know, you'll develop bags. So make sure you get enough sleep. So a lot of times it's even sleep as well. So like I said, I actually put a lot more on than what I actually meant to. But this is something else I'm trying out too. Hopefully, you know, these products work out. I actually like this one as well. It's not too bad. Bakuchiol eye cream. So next thing, since I've done all my serums and eye creams, now I'm just gonna go into my moisturizer, which is just the Better Days Ahead from Pharmacy. Now I like to use this, especially like when I've done like a lot of steps to my face, like especially like exfoliating and stuff. I just want to use something that's really mild, that's going to help some of the redness and the inflammation go down, if I have any, which I'm pretty sure I might start to develop if I do. But this is going to take care of it, so that way when I wake up in the morning, I'll be all good. I know some of y'all probably like, yo, like you got a lot of steps for your nighttime routine, but it's like, honestly, what else you got to do? And from my experience, this has made me, I like to say, more attractive. And I mean, I don't know if that's something you into, but I mean, I don't mind spending my time, you know, making myself more attractive. I don't think there's something wrong with that. But I mean, if that's what you're into, I mean, by all means do it. But yeah, I'm gonna take care of my skin, man. I mean, I take care of my body, I work out. Why wouldn't I do the same thing for my face? Why wouldn't I give my face that same amount of care and attention, you know, I give to building my body up a certain way? You know, we gotta change that frame of thinking that, you know, when it comes to our face, it's like, oh no, I can't do that. But I can do that for everything else, my body, my car, my shoes, my clothes. But you're talking about my face, oh man, that shit gay. Like, it's not, man. Like, just take care of yourself. There's nothing wrong with it. Nobody's gonna judge you. And if they do, they lame as hell because you're taking care of yourself, so what makes that gay? So we're gonna apply some face oil. And this one's actually from Sacred Mama. Now, none of this stuff is ads. I'm just trying stuff out and talking about stuff I actually like. I actually really like this Sacred Mama stuff. I really recommend it, especially if you're a dry skin type and you're looking for some extra hydration. This stuff will not clog your pores. I have not once ran into, you know, a point where I've been like, yo, I'm starting to break out from that oil. Like, nah, not at all. And like, no matter how much I put on, you know, my stuff is good. So I really like this oil a lot. I highly suggest it. But that is pretty much it for your boy's night routine. Bakuchiol was a product of the night. I gotta remember that name, Bakuchiol. I'll leave, you know, the stuff down below that I actually used in this video. Like I said, I'm using a couple of products for the first time. So yeah, I'm gonna use them for, you know, about 2 weeks. You usually should start to notice some kind of difference at some point, notice something. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how they go. I'll keep you guys updated. I got bottles and shit in the middle of the video. I'll keep you guys updated. But until the next video, I will see you then.